Do you know that trade schools offer the best hands-on practical education to students at an affordable rate? The state of Florida, also known as the Sunshine State, nurtures most of its industry's skilled workforce through dozens of trades and vocational schools. From construction to healthcare jobs, the state offers a lot of opportunities to her residents through the existence of trade schools in Florida. Don't miss any opportunity. Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button, and ring the bell to be the first to get a notification. The high demand for skilled workers is a golden opportunity for many Florida residents to consider a career in the trade. The job outlook is bright, especially for plumbers, electricians, welders, brick masons, and carpenters who can earn as much as $55,000 to $75,000 a year, including full benefits and a pension. Best trade schools in Florida. 1. Hillsborough Community College. Since 1968, Hillsborough Community College is dedicated to creating an engaging learning environment through its 5 campuses. Currently, it offers more than 190 academic options which are supported by over 2,200 dedicated faculty and staff members. They continuously work to help students achieve their full potential by giving them access to affordable, innovative, high-quality, and practical education. Link on description. 2. Tallahassee Community College. Founded in 1996, Tallahassee Community College offers high-quality post-secondary education for the residents of Leon, Gadsden, and Wakulla counties for decades. As one of the consistently top-ranked community colleges in the U.S., this school is a fitting choice for many students who want to complete an associate degree or certificate and launch their career to success at a lesser amount of time. Link on description. 3. Charlotte Technical College. Originally built to provide vocational training to the community of Charlotte County in Florida, Charlotte Technical College has grown into a reputable learning center where students and learning adults can learn the needed skills to embark on a trade. It is their aim to provide an effective, innovative technical education to prepare their graduates for the future. Link on description. 4. Travis Technical College. Travis Technical College has a good track record in providing technical training that will help students prepare for a sustainable future. It is their goal to provide local businesses with a highly skilled workforce. Students who want to take on the challenge of learning an in-demand technical trade is in the right place at Travis Technical College. It is one of the cheapest technical colleges in the state, with workforce education certificate programs assessed at a rate of $2.88 per hour for residents and $11.52 for non-residents. They can also offer financial aid through scholarships and grants. Link on description. 5. North Florida Community College. Found in Madison, Florida, North Florida Community College essentially solves the educational needs of its 6 county districts. They aim to provide accessible education, lifelong learning opportunities, and professional growth for their students and surrounding communities. Link on description. Here you go. Stay tuned as we bring more scholarships, tips and opportunities your way. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.